morning, cyber traders, and welcome back. Good to see you all this lovely Tuesday. What is today's date? Today is the absolute 12th. Almost halfway done. Oh, maybe not halfway, almost half day. What a great day. I'm telling you, what an unbelievable day. What happened on, yesterday. Oh my God. First of all, it was Veterans Day, and I like to always reach out to all my veterans. Thank you for your service and keeping us safe. That's number one. I want to start off with that. And number two, I want to really kind of cover and talk a little bit about why it's so important you got to trade. I mean, my God, we had so many great winners. Oh my God, it was yesterday my son was off, and a lot of kids were off from school. So we went upstate New York. We took the weekend off, had to take some time off. And I'm just looking, and I know I was following you guys on Josh doing a great job, Rich doing a great job, working the cyber group room and everything else. I'm seeing what's going on. I'm like, damn, the swing trades is just doing unbelievable. So basically, what's the really big news? Bitcoin, right? Now, you know what? I don't keep saying this, but politics have a lot to do with us trading, okay? You like Trump, you hate Trump. I told you this. You like Biden, you hate Biden. If you like Harris, you hate. Listen, their policies are going to affect certain markets. Now, let me get back to Bitcoin because the big news on Bitcoin is Trump is going to unregulate a lot of it. He's taking a lot of regulations off it. And now, rumor has it, they want Elon Musk to be the Bitcoin's ear, okay? So they want him to run the Bitcoin. I don't know. Every time that guy touches stuff, it turns to billions and billions of dollars. Well, anyway, Bitcoin, broke 87,000. It just did not stop from 56. I know everyone here is excited. Now, you don't have to trade Bitcoin to make money on it. I mean, I own the ETF. I was a big fan of IBIT. I've been talking a lot about it when it started when it went public. Some of you, if you've been watching my videos, when I was on NASDAQ back in November of last year, all I kept on saying, listen, if it's going to get approved, it's going to get approved. It's going to get approved. The SEC's got to approve this ETF, and they were one of the first ones out there. Look how much where Bitcoin went from the ETF. From last year till today, it's literally up almost 100%. Okay? Now, Bitcoin was not up 100%. All right? Let's be honest. Okay? It's up a lot, but it wasn't 100%. It wasn't that low last year. And by the way, if you look what happened in the last 2 days, just literally on fire, 38 up to 49. But there's so much of them out there. IBIT, IBTU, BITX. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Then you had brand name stocks like, not brand names, bank stocks. Hood did great. Okay. Some of you guys killed it on Hood. Coinbase did unbelievable. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Coin just basically 200 to 300. And, and let's talk about Tesla really quick. TSLL. I mean, great cheap ETF of it. The thing ran from 12 to 22. So as much as Bitcoin went up as much as it did, you don't have to trade Bitcoin to trade Bitcoin. There's other stocks that we could have traded, and you guys did great on it. And by the way, if you want to be a good swing trader, I know a lot of people here, they're like, I'm not really a day trader. I get it. You don't have to be. But if you don't know what's happened over the course of the day, how in the hell are you going to know how to swing trade? How in the hell are you going to learn how to be a good options trade? There's a lot of people in this trading room, okay, that started as an option trader, sucked at it, blew up their account, came back to day trading, learned the fundamentals of it, and now they became a great day trader, a great swing trader, and a great options trader. So, it comes down to it. So that's basically what goes out. I'm driving on my car, and I'm listening to the financial stations coming back, and I'm hearing commercial after commercial. Hey, look at my option strategy. And I get it, but listen, it all starts here. And if you don't know how to follow it as what's happening over the course of the day, you're never going to be able to chase it down the road with those other techniques and strategies, and you'll understand them a lot more. Now, a couple of the stocks that also move, I could just go through CLSK, another great move, 10 to 17. Mara, thanks for sharing that, Lynn. I mean, all these mining stocks did great. Riot. I mean, look at them, 8 to 14. I mean, literally almost like a double. literally almost like a double. All right. Now, listen, we find stocks in the day trading community when we trade. Sometimes they're up about 2, 3, 400%. They're out there, but you know what? It was just really exciting to be part of it. Now, remember what I always tell all of you traders: don't worry about it. You didn't miss anything. There's gonna be another one. They're always out there every day. Every day is a great adventure at Cyber Trading University. And that's why you guys are watching on YouTube. By the way, if you're watching on YouTube, take your damn phone, scan that QR code on the top left-hand corner, join our trading room, and see what it's all about. Make sure you like us, friend us, and don't forget to ring that damn bell, all right? Now, before we start going through the watch list, there's a couple other stocks I just want to mention too. A couple of earnings announcements came out today. But today we have our new podcast, all right? So at 11 o'clock, we'll put the link up there. We'll broadcast live on YouTube and on Instagram, TikTok, X, all of them, all bricks, straight across all our social media. So 11 o'clock, don't forget, we got Jody that's coming on from FX, and she's going to talk about trading a little bit. Another guru, another good friend of mine. Looking forward to having her. So don't forget, right after this, 11 o'clock Eastern time, we're going to have that. Now, there were a couple of stocks that did come out with some earnings announcements. Just a touch about them. Home Depot, had a big comeback. Now, I did really well. I know you guys did really well regarding about we traded with the hurricane strategy, and damn thing came all the way back. I mean, obviously, earnings are doing really well. It was a pretty good buy. But I talked about this, last week. You know what? I'm tapped out. I own a ton of, Lockheed Martin. You know what I mean? Big fan of that. I own Intel. I own IBIT. I own the Amazon. You can't own everything. And sometimes, I know I talked about this, me and Josh, I was saying to you, some of you, and you all said the same thing. Sometimes you got to sell some of the expensive stocks to buy some cheaper ones because you make more money percentage-wise. It's not points. It's also percent that also helps you out. So sometimes you got to liquidate, and I tried to, and I did some of it. But listen, you can't get them all. You know what I mean? But don't worry about it. There's so many of them out there. That's the awesome part about it. All right, so that one actually had good earnings. We'll talk about this BTCT. Shop plug had a plug workout. I don't know. I mean, plug's not looking too good. All right, a plug is not working out too well. I know the EV stocks. I mean, plug is part of it, and obviously Home Depot obviously doing pretty well. And then we had Shop. Right, we talked about Shop. Shop did really, really well. Shop still looking pretty strong. Shopify, we're putting that on the radar. Shop, that's still looking damn strong. But it's expensive. It is expensive. And obviously, we'll put Home Depot on it because of earnings announcements. All right. So we got this stock right here, BTCT. And, we had a big order down here around $3. I'm seeing right here. Remember, we're always looking at the right of the chart, not always the left of the chart. Right at chart, we got a 60,000 share buyer at 3. We got a couple of big iceberg orders hovering around 5. Looks like it hit it, backed off, got a big red ball. Means a lot of sales came out. So 5 looks like a little bit of a kryptonite. You could see it did around 7:15 this morning. It did it again right now, just right before 9 o'clock. So that one's not bad. We all know as students here what's going to happen if that order gets filled. All right. Next biggest stock on the watch list is this stock right here, XB. Looks like it beat earnings, and it looks like it's kind of flattened down. 71%. Cheap stock, it's okay. I just don't like it's not really trending, but it did gap up due to earnings. It's okay. TSHA, cheap stock. Another stock beat earnings, looks like. It looks like an earning play right here. It's holding pretty strong. Let's look at the orders. TSHA. Let's see what we got going on here. Oops, spelled it wrong. TSHA. There we go. Let's go check and see some orders. All right, we got a big order out here at 228 for 66,000. Just uploading that data. Yeah, you got a big order out there, big iceberg order out there. So that looks like probably that's right around here. That's almost yesterday's highs. TSHA. All right. Here's an ETF, not an ETF, a warrant to the Care Cloud. Looks like it's not doing too much right there. This one's pretty good. This one's a nice little mover right here. Some of you remember we traded in October, ran from 4 all the way to 9. Looks like she's moving up again this morning. EVGO. Let's go check out the orders. EVGO. See what we got going on over here on level 4. A lot of Legos. Very ugly. Let me show you. Looks like Legos. Orders are all over the place. I mean, you know what? 2.4 million shares. Looks like she's a category 3, maybe. Let's see if those orders show up a little bit later when it opens up. All right, this doesn't look too good. This one doesn't look good. I don't like the chart. Don't like the chart. Don't like. Oh, Govax. We traded this stock before. Remember this one, right, everyone? Back in July, back in August, ran from $2 all the way to 10. GOVX. GOVX. I like that stock. I remember that stock was fun. I know that had good iceberg orders. GOVX. Let's go see what's going on the right of the chart. Okay, we got a couple of big orders right here. 4. Yeah, a lot of orders hovering around. We get past 455. It looks like we're looking pretty good. And you could see it right there. Those are the resistance levels right there. But nice little push on that one. You can see it did really well. I guess it was one of the afternoon runners. 330, great move. 220, all the way up to about $3. Not bad. Didn't really do too much going into the close, but it was a good middle of the day. All right, big losers. Anything good there? Nope. New York Stock Exchange. What do we got going on here with Shopify? We already know about that one. SE, too expensive. Volume is light. Nothing there. Any good shorts? Nope. eFish. We trade that stock. Everybody remembers that stock. Oh, my God. What the hell happened to this thing? You're damn right you remember this stock right here. The stock ran from 24 to 150. Remember that stock, eFish? Is that a reverse stock split? My God. That thing got destroyed. Oh, my God. There's like no coming back on that one. Hate to hear some people maybe average down on that one. Not looking too good. All right, so I think we got them all. Anything we're missing? Anything we're missing? Anything else? I think we got a pretty decent list going into this afternoon. Remember, it's Tuesday, Taco Tuesdays, but over here we call it Traders Tuesday. So, Tuesdays, Wednesdays are the best days to trade. Market was open yesterday. We had a good rally. Looks like we're going to get some profit taking, and that's good. We want some of the stocks that were up big yesterday to back off. That's a good sign because we need to build some stability, some support levels. But so far, we're killing on the swing trades. We killed it on those swing trades. All right, let's get ready for the market open up. Now, remember, 11 o'clock today, we got our podcast with Jody from FX. Look forward to seeing her there. We'll see you back. We'll be back in 15 minutes. There's the link for everyone to join it. We'll be broadcasting live on YouTube and all social network channels, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to join our trading room one more time before everybody goes, I see we got over a few hundred people on YouTube. Just make sure you take your phone, scan that QR code, or click the link that we have posted up there. And we'll see you all in the trading room. Here's the link for that, by the way. We just posted for some of you in the room on social media so you guys could see it. All right. Oops. Wrong thing. All right. I have to delete that. That's all the chat from the trading room. Oof. I think I messed up on that, but just click on the bottom. All right, traders, good luck today. We'll see you in about 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere. All right. And if you're new here to Cyber Trade University, hopefully you're looking and learning. Just don't buy anything. Just here, watch. See you in a few minutes.